What's this latest fuzz about, you may ask? You see moringa powder all over the internet, but you don't know if is that good? Don't worry, I got you covered. Here at Healthier Everyday, we provide you with the best tips to improve your health and overall well-being. What is moringa? Moringa oleifera is a plant that is often called the drumstick tree, the miracle tree, the benoil tree, or the horseradish tree. Moringa has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties and health benefits. It also has antifungal, antiviral, antidepressant, and anti-inflammatory properties. Let's see the benefits of moringa and especially moringa powder. Number 1. It's nutrient-packed. Many of the healthy foods you eat have a single standout nutrient. Think carrots and vitamin A, citrus and vitamin C, nuts and vitamin E. Moringa leaves stick out as a superfood because 1 cup of chopped leaves is considered a good source of iron, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and riboflavin, and has notable amounts of potassium, vitamin A, vitamin E, and magnesium. In fact, the leaves are more concentrated in vitamin C than oranges. That means moringa can contribute to everything from better vision and immunity to bone health and skin radiance. Number 2. It's a super source of plant-based protein. Whether you're a vegetarian or just trying to cut down on meat, it's not always easy finding convenient plant-based protein. Sure, there are lentils and tempeh, but sometimes you just want a quick, no-cook add-in to sprinkle on smoothie bowls or add to soup. That's where moringa comes in. Powders made from its crushed leaves are packed with protein, 3 grams of protein per tablespoon, in fact, and have a leg up on legumes because they contain all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair, energy production, and mood regulation. Number 3. It can help your sex life. Stress can stress your sex life. It can throw hormone levels off, spiking cortisol and decreasing dopamine to lower libido. In animal studies, moringa has not only been shown to bring down cortisol levels, but it may also naturally boost testosterone levels, a known sex drive booster. In one study, moringa extract worked to enhance sexual performance in stressed rats by suppressing cortisol and increasing testosterone. Number 4. It can balance hormones. Menopause can throw women's hormones out of whack and make them feel out of whack, but moringa may help. A study published in the Journal of Food and Science Technology found that postmenopausal women who took a combination of moringa leaf powder and amaranth leaf powder for 3 months not only had decreased markers of oxidative stress, but they also had better fasting blood glucose and increased hemoglobin levels, which could mean more balanced hormones. Moringa has also been linked to improved thyroid health, which controls hormones related to energy, sleep, and digestion. Number 5. It protects the liver. Think of your liver as the body's detoxifier. It filters the blood, detoxifies chemicals, and metabolizes fat, and moringa may help it work better. First off, moringa contains high concentrations of polyphenols to reverse oxidation in the liver, and preliminary research has shown moringa consumption to reduce liver fibrosis and protect against liver damage. Number 6. It fights free radicals. Free radicals are created by things like pollution, fried food, and sun exposure. They damage your cells by robbing them of an electron, causing oxidative stress, cell damage, and premature aging. The antidote, antioxidants, like the flavonoids, polyphenols, and ascorbic acid found in moringa. A diet rich in antioxidants has been shown to prevent premature wrinkles and possibly make you live longer. Number 7. It fights inflammation. Moringa has been shown to significantly lower inflammation in cells. As well as containing inflammation-lowering polyphenols and isothiocyonates, moringa reduces inflammation by suppressing inflammatory enzymes and proteins in the body. Number 8. It balances blood sugar. Spikes in insulin and blood sugar levels can cause mood swings and sugar cravings, and even lead to the development of type 2 diabetes and obesity. The leaf powder has been effective at reducing lipid and glucose levels and regulating oxidative stress in lab studies. One clinical study also showed therapeutic antioxidant properties as well as lower fasting glucose levels in postmenopausal women who took a supplement with moringa and amaranth leaves for 3 months. Number 9. It improves digestion. Moringa leaf powder contains about 30% fiber, most of it insoluble, something you not only need for digestion, but that may also reduce your risk of disease. Moringa is a natural antibiotic and antibacterial and may help inhibit the growth of various pathogens that can cause digestive upset. Moringa's anti-inflammatory properties have been shown to help with digestive disorders like colitis. Plus, a recent study in mice found that it may improve gut bacteria. Number 10. It supports brain health. It's estimated that 1 in 8 people over the age of 65 have Alzheimer's disease. Moringa leaf is high in vitamins C and E, which combat the oxidative stress associated with Alzheimer's. Animal studies of both Alzheimer's and dementia are showing promising results. More good news, Moringa has also been linked to increased dopamine and serotonin, and with more research, it could possibly be used to help treat depression in the future. Amazing, right? Now that you see the benefits of Moringa, will you start using it into your diet? Leave a comment down below. Also, please let me know what kind of videos I should produce next. If you want to find out more about how you can be more healthy, please check out our playlist. If you like this video, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps me a lot. Until next time, stay healthy.